Alright, today let's learn about XML to tables. As usual, the steps will be get data, then we'll be going to more because here XML is not listed. Let's click on more now, and here we can see XML now. Let's click on XML, then let's click on connect. Then let's browse our sample file, that is sample data. I'll double click on it. Now we can see the customer table with the data. This is if you look in XML, sample data.xml, right? Let's first load it. I'll click on load, and there we go. In the model we can see the customer. So let's first see in a tabular form. I'll click on table, check mark the country name. Let's click here, the country name and the total. So we can see, but now let's say the ID count of ID or something is incorrect. I'll go to home, I'll go to transform data, click on transform data. It will open Power Query Editor. Here let's double check the ID. It says 123, looks good because 123 stands for the whole number, which is what we need, 12. Name looks good, ABC, which is for text, ABC. Same goes for country, India and USA. It's in text, so we don't need any changes here. So I'll click here and close. So that's what it goes for this tutorial for XML. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.